back with another banger. Today I am going to be pranking Jamel with thinking I got him a brand new truck. So Jamel's in the car. We're on our way to our location and he has no idea. So Jamel, do you want to take any guesses on where we're going?
Food.
Come on, give him a hint. It's very big. So here's the deal. I told Jamel that I have a surprise for him because the past couple weeks have been a lot on us. I told him be at my house for 4:30 and then we're going to take a ride.
We get a tree?
He's so awesome. And y'all, we are taking a ride to a car lot. Yeah. We're at a dealership. But it's actually for my dad, but I'm going to have Jamel thinking that is for him. Jamel not going to see this coming. Mom, where are we?
At a car lot?
Yeah!
Can you tell me?
I cannot tell you yet. Alright, y'all. He still doesn't know where he's going. Turn around. No, open your eyes, stupid. Turn around. Open. No, stupid. Look.
What about it?
This for you.
This for who?
You.
You're lying.
No, for real. We got you a truck. Well, I got you a truck.
You serious? Make it for real.
Yes, for you.
You really did this. You know how happy I am?
Wait, hold on. My dad's coming. Daddy. Oh, he lost something.
That's crazy.
He's like, just one more thing. Just one more thing, y'all. One more.
I'm not gonna cry here because, you know, man, I can't be doing all that.
What's the one thing you gotta tell him?
Oh, shoot. Oh, shoot. I'm really that. Oh, shoot.
They put in on it too.
They did?
Yeah.
Man, I really appreciate y'all for real.
Alright, now you gotta give him back the keys.
Oh, alright. Wait, what you mean? Wait, Megan, this not my car? Megan, you dumb bitch!
Make it roll for that.
This is my dad's car. You leaving?
Megan had me.
You leaving? I'm sorry, Jamel. It's actually for my dad, but it was a perfect opportunity for a video. But it's practice for when you do get your own truck.
Practice?
Yeah. Bye, y'all. Thanks for watching this video. Make sure to like, comment, and subscribe. See y'all later.
I'm gonna get Megan back.